Hello friends. In India, nearly 58,000 people die every year just from snake bites. But the shocking fact is that 70% of these deaths are not caused by the snake's venom, but rather due to panic and wrong treatment. Today, I will share the crucial facts that can save a dying person's life. 4 critical mistakes you must avoid. First, let's look at the 4 mistakes you should never make. Do not attempt to suck out the venom. Never try to suck the venom out with your mouth like they show in the movies. If you have even a tiny cut or ulcer in your mouth, the venom will travel straight to your heart, putting 2 lives in danger instead of 1. Do not cut the wound. Never make an incision with a blade or knife on the bitten area. This severely increases the risk of infection and heavy bleeding. Do not tie a tight tourniquet. Avoid tying a tight rope or cloth above the bitten limb. This completely stops blood circulation to that part, which can lead to tissue death and might require amputating the hand or leg later. Do not waste time on superstitions. The biggest mistake is wasting precious time on faith healers, local babas, or herbal remedies. Only an anti-venom injection can save a life. What to do? Immediately. The RIGHT formula? To take the correct action. Always remember the World Health Organization's RIGHT formula. R. Reassure. Keep the patient calm. Panic increases the heart rate, causing the venom to spread faster through the body. Comfort the patient and do not let them fall asleep. I immobilize, do not move the bitten arm or leg at all. Place a piece of wood or a scale underneath the limb and tie a loose bandage to keep it still. Minimizing movement slows down the spread of venom. Also remove all jewelry, watches, rings and shoes immediately, as they can cut off circulation if swelling occurs. G and H. Get hospital. Without wasting a single second, rush the patient to the nearest government hospital. T. Tell symptoms. On the way, keep an eye on the patient's symptoms so you can inform the doctor. Notice if they are experiencing blurred vision, drowsiness, or difficulty breathing. Important note: never waste time trying to catch or kill the snake. Indian government hospitals are equipped with polyvalent anti-snake venom ASV. This single antivenom is highly effective against the bites of India's big 4 venomous snakes: the spectacled cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper. Please share this vital information with your family and friends. Your one share could save someone's life. Thank you.